If you're experiencing frequent crashes while playing Roblox, there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox. This includes checking your operating system, RAM, and graphics card specifications to ensure compatibility. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause performance issues. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your device to improve stability. Step 3. Clear cache and temporary files. Clearing cache and temporary files can help resolve conflicts. Go to your device's settings, find the storage or application management section, and clear the cache for Roblox. Step 4. Disable background applications. Running too many applications in the background can strain your system. Close unnecessary programs and processes to free up resources for Roblox, which may help reduce crashes. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the problem persists, uninstall Roblox and then reinstall. This can fix corrupted files and ensure you have the latest version of the game. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate crashing issues while playing Roblox. Enjoy your gaming.